Hello everyone and welcome to Vlogmas Day 3. So, okay, let me just catch you up. Let me stop making you feel seasick and let me catch you up. All right, real quick. It is Sunday afternoon and we just finished our Weekend to Remember conference. I loved it. It was honestly really good. It was a great opportunity for like me and Evan to just really bond well and connect and just talk about some things that we needed to talk about and get educated and just educate ourselves on certain things and just be married in a good way and have fun and all the things. So it was a great weekend. Totally suggest it. My plan today is to get my life together, like for real. It's 2 o'clock on the dot and I really want to clean my house. So we're gonna do like some cleaning with me. So if you like this kind of thing, I love this kind of thing. Guys, let's get something done. Like pause the video right now. Think of the place that you want to clean, make your little list if you need to make your list, and then press play because like in a minute, and I'll try to put the time, in a minute, we're just gonna clean together. We're gonna talk, we're gonna chat, it's gonna be fun, we're gonna get stuff done. Then later on, like 2 hours from now, my mom is coming and I'm feeling like a little stressed today, to be honest. I guess I feel like I have so much going on and so much to do that I feel a little bit like I'm in a race and I don't like that. So I'm gonna try to like tone myself down. I'm gonna go ahead and take my earrings off because these are big and I'm just wearing them for the thumbnail. I wore them earlier today, but like whenever I'm moving a lot, just heavy hoops are really hard to handle. So yeah, we're just gonna work together. We're gonna do this, then we're gonna do some Christmas decorating and it's gonna be, come on baby, all cozy. You see that? We have so much organizing to do, guys. It's gonna be all cozy. I said this yesterday, but I just want to encourage you guys to focus on what matters in your life. My house right now is a wreck. And you know what? I'm okay with that because I focused yesterday and this weekend on what matters, my marriage, and I let my house go. I just let it go. That's not something that I really like to do. I tend to be a messy person, so I have to stay on top of my cleaning. But now I have time and I'm gonna clean. I'm all by myself. Evan's at the gym. So you ready? Let's do this. I love checking the Target clearance section because I find that the stuff that's on clearance at Target is not bad stuff. It's just like the stuff that is purely on season, not the stuff that's in the coming season. So like for example, and this will totally apply to whatever I'm about to show you, like the fall stuff while it's fall is on clearance in Target, but like the winter Christmas stuff, if it's fall, that's on the shelf. I found this Mrs. Meyer's cleaning dish soap. It was on sale for like $3, right? Such a good deal. Usually this stuff is like twice that much. So I would totally encourage you guys, and it smells amazing. The apple cider is probably one of my favorite scents in just most of life. I like cidery scents. Speaking of which, I'm gonna light a candle. But yeah, I am so happy I found that. And it just kind of makes doing the dishes more fun. I would totally encourage you guys to find ways to help yourself. Sorry, Samson wants to go outside. Find ways to help yourself enjoy the more mundane tasks in life. A big part of that for me is routines. So like just having like a routine, like a thing that you do every time you do fill in the blank, helps me to feel all warm and fuzzy and cuddled and like comforted. And I am just a structured routine person who like thrives in doing the same thing over and over again. But like that kind of thing just helps me so much. So I'm lighting my candle. I'm using my soap that smells good and it makes me happy. And I'm gonna do my dishes and I'm gonna watch some Vlogmas because I like to watch YouTube videos while I clean. So I'm gonna put those on and we'll keep going. So it is currently 2:44. I've done a lot of the dishes, not all of the dishes, but I'm actually gonna pause, I think, right here on the dishes and go clean some other areas of my house. Evan just said, and I totally agree with him, that I think this is like the messiest my kitchen has ever been. Like, it's intense, it's very bad. But I don't have time to clean my kitchen spick and span if I want to be ready for my mom, who's coming in like an hour, and she's usually early. So I'm gonna go clean up our room. Here's another wifing tip, life tip, if you have a personality like mine, tip for you. Because yeah, our room is a wreck too. I feel like for me to function well in my day-to-day life, there are certain areas or certain things that I need to have together. I don't need to have everything together, but there are certain things I need to have together. One of those things or spaces would be my Zen space. And when I say have it together, I actually don't mean like perfectly clean, but like if I want to be able to relax in my room at the end of the day, my bed needs to be made, just period. My laundry at the least needs to be out of sight. The laundry doesn't all have to be folded and clean, but it does have to be like mostly out of sight or confined to one area. It can't be all over the place. And I know some of you don't even have that problem because you're not like me, but if you're like me, you have this problem. Like, this is a thing for you. So anyway, I'm gonna make my bed so that I can take the laundry that's in other places in the house, bring it in here, clean out my area, and then just attack the issues. So let's do this. Okay, so my bed's made. Oh, Samson's ready to come in. You ready to come in? Come on. There you go. It's such a pretty day outside. I just like, I don't know. In the winter, he doesn't like to go outside very much. Do you, sweetie? He doesn't like to go outside very much. So whenever it's a nice day, I always just want to kind of like help him enjoy it. And so I try to give him little snacks and incentives and things to look for outside so that he'll spend more time out there, because he doesn't like to be cold, just like me. So ladies, what you need to do is marry a man who lets you do what you want unless you're hurting yourself. And what I mean by that is, look at this chair. Ah! I am literally beside myself. So here's what happened. Let me turn on the oven actually. Okay. Here's the deal. I went to the grocery store to get some stuff because my mom is coming over. Just like, you know, cookies and stuff, which I found some great cookies. Oh, macadamia, because everybody likes those. And nice. The turtle. I love these. This one. What's your favorite International Delight flavor? Mine is hazelnut. What do you like?
I don't like it.
You don't like creamer at all?
I mean, I don't know. Not flavored creamer.
Huh. I didn't know that about you. So you'd rather have like plain creamer. Interesting.
Yeah, I don't use your creamer.
Yeah, I've noticed that, but I just thought you were being nice to me.
No.
Okay. Cool. So back to the chair story. All right, so guys, I was driving down the road in my neighborhood, which is also the hood, and I saw this chair. I have been looking for a chair for Evan to use when he plays video games in the living room that is not, like right now he just uses this like random desk chair that's literally something that you would put like in a church or a youth group room. But a chair that I loved, that I knew that he would really love, that had like serious character, something that looked kind of old, and I've been looking for one for a long time. And I saw this chair and I knew that this was the chair for us because it needed to be sturdy enough to look like it belonged in the living room, but like lightweight enough that you could just move it around without a headache. So here it is. It's been raining a little bit, so I'm gonna take it to Sam's room and put the fan on it and try to air it out. But like, dang, and it's pink, and I'm not mad about that at all. I just think this is so fantastic. This one needs to be sewed back in. It tried to pop out on me, but it just has such good bones. Oh my gosh, comment below, would you pick up that chair on the side of the road? I would. I know.
I'm excited.
My mom's here, guys.
I'm excited, yay!
Yay, she's super stoked. Evan's super sick and not excited at all. Woohoo, but he's present, which is all I asked of him today. Because his lip is torn. He's just having a hard day. This is the stuff that I had from last year, like I mentioned. It's mostly like in the golds.
So you had a lot of gold and silver, like white gold kind of, and copper. There was some copper stuff I remember.
There were some pretty. Oh, here they are. Let's pull this out. Yeah. Copper and white, very. It's okay.
But I just didn't want them to go flying all over the floor.
There's the copper, rose gold, very classy tree. Gold. I had a very refined tree. I'm over it.
But now she wants a tree that goes with this pillow.
Yeah. Yeah, like a boho kind of. So I think I can make this work. Oh, and I also have like the enormous ones. I got these from the dollar store. You guys do not need to spend a bunch of money on your ornaments. I don't know where you think you need to get them, but like those, $1 a piece, baby. I was very happy about that. And so anyway, I'm going to just try to see what I'm going to make work, but I don't think I'm going to use all of it because I think I'm going to DIY some things. Okay. What do you think we should put on the tree first? Is it the garland that goes first, or is it the
garland, because the garland can knock the balls off.
Okay, so let's do garland.
I'm hoping if you had like something to set it up on.
The tree?
The tree? That might protect, if you had like a big box that you could wrap like a present.
Yeah. You want to buy a new tree?
Oh
gosh. Buy a new tree? How much is that?
Are you gonna be like me? No, I should even bring this up. Because I'm the kind of person who would go buy the tree now and then like kick myself. Why did I just wait? I could have gotten the same tree for $20. I spent.
Guys, can you believe this is the conversation we're having right now? I can. But you're absolutely right. This is a 6 foot.
Right?
This is shorter than you. The nice thing about living in the city though is if Evan says yes, I can go get it and put it up and be done before 7 o'clock. So
Jesus is the reason for the season.
Hilarious. Did you hear her? Guys. Mocking me for trying to remind myself to keep my eyes on God.
I'm just, Jiminy Cricket, little conscience here.
Wow, everybody, everyone's favorite is Jiminy Cricket.
That's okay.
They love him. When they say, which one did you like in Pinocchio? He's the one that they say.
For that.
You are so anti-Brelet. It's funny. Well, yeah, I like this. Okay, yeah, I want that tree. Well, I can put up my stockings.
Don't give up on your dreams.
I'll be here Thursday.
Thank you, baby. You're the best.
He is the best.
He is the best. Did you see how we couldn't find the tree and Evan found the tree? I'm just saying. Thank you. I love you. Okay, so my mother is being so gracious and kind and has convinced me. She's convinced me that we can keep going and still get something accomplished. So I've got this candy dish and we're gonna fill it in a creative way. So this is something that I use, what did you call it, roving?
Roving, yeah.
When I weave.
I guess I like all the colors in here except the yellow and maybe the red. As I'm picking like colors, I'm realizing I like them all.
Except for yellow and red. I agree with you about the red, except okay, there you go. So that's the thing that gives me the pause about the red, but you see the red. So I think in small doses it works. We figured it out. So I'm gonna turn you around. Okay, so here's the deal. We started off and we actually didn't even have these in either. And all the colors are just kind of in the same color family. And so I threw these in because I was like, okay, that's helping. And then I threw in the purple. And, oh, that was actually the last one I threw in. And then I threw in the ones in my mom's hand. And I really started to like this color combination better because I think what you need when you're trying to do this Mediterranean vibe is clashing. You need clashing colors. Not colors that all go together, but colors that honestly, like if you got up in the morning and you put this on, your mom would tell you no. Like those are the colors I really think that make this work. And just a little bit of yellow. Now that I'm getting going, I see how that woke it up? Yep, just a few more. That's it. That's how this works. Let me know if you want to see a Pom Pom sandal video. I made one with all these, never showed it to you. It's out there, guys. Okay, cool. So let's get started. It's fun. All right, so I'm gonna put that up. Well, guys, that was anticlimactic, huh? So I am gonna make myself a glass of milk. Actually, I'm gonna have some eggnog. I make myself a glass of eggnog. Do you like eggnog? Comment below. I feel like people love it or they hate it or they only like it with alcohol. I just like good Southern comfort vanilla spice plain. I don't need the rum, thanks. That was anticlimactic. I'm gonna end the vlog here. I'm fine. I'm feeling very jumbled right now. I'm feeling kind of emotional, a little bit annoyed, just frustrated, a lot of things. But you know what? It's fine. And I'm actually fine because I'm really thankful and I'm super blessed. I'm at a point in my life right now where I wanted a new tree and my husband is amazing and he was like, here, I'll order you one. It'll be here Thursday. And so yeah, honestly what I'm feeling right now is not, it has very little to do with the decorations. It has a lot more to do with emotional fatigue from just the weekend that I've had, which was good, but just took a lot out of me and I'm tired now. So I'm gonna say goodbye and see you again tomorrow. Tomorrow will be Monday. I am taking a trip to Burlington and then, well, I have to work. I'll be going to Burlington and then I'm going to be doing a craft night with some of my family. So it's gonna be like Christmas crafts. It'll be way fun. So I will see you guys in the morning. I hope you enjoy this. If you like it, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so you can know when I post the next one. All right, see you guys bye. See you guys bye. See you guys later. Bye.